Friends, look at my town. We have a title, we have paragraphs. Our story is written. But look at that wall. It is so empty. It is so boring. Every great town has pictures on the walls. I want to hang a picture right here. Woohoo! But how do we put a picture on a web page? That's what we're going to find out today. In HTML, we have a special tag just for pictures. It's called the IMG tag. IMG, short for image.
Now, before we use it, I have to tell you something very surprising about this tag. Are you ready for the surprise? The IMG tag does not have a closing tag. Not. I know. We learned that every tag needs bread on both sides. But the IMG tag is different. It is not a sandwich. It is a photo frame.
A photo frame is already complete by itself. You put the photo in the frame. You don't need a second frame on the other side. The IMG tag works the same way. We call this a self-closing tag. It opens and closes all at once. One piece, not two. Okay, but here's the next question. If we type the IMG tag, how does the browser know which picture to show?
There are millions of pictures on the internet. Huh? Yeah!
We have to give the browser an address, like an envelope. You write the address on it, so the postman knows where to deliver it. Hello! In HTML, this address is called the SRC. SRC. It stands for source. Like, where is the source of this picture? And the address itself is called a URL. A URL is a long web address. You've seen them. They start with HTTPs and have lots of dots and slashes. So the full IM tag looks like this. imsarc equals, then the address in quotes. Let me show you on CodePen. Okay, friends, here is my town page from last time. Heading, paragraphs, all there. Now let's add a picture right below the heading.
First I type IMG, that's our tag name. Then I add a space. Then I add a space. Then I type SRC equals, and then I open some quotation marks. This is where the address goes. The image URL is the secret code that leads directly to the picture. You can ask a grown-up to help you copy an image address too. And notice, no closing tag, no /im. The frame is complete by itself. Now let's run it. Whoa! Do you see that? We just put a real picture on our web page. On our web page. The browser followed the address, found the picture, and showed it right here. Our town now has a heading, a story, and a picture. It's starting to look like a real website.
Now, how do you find an image address for your own picture? Let me show you the easiest way. Step 1. Ask a parent to help you search for a picture online.
Step 2. Right-click on the picture. On the picture, a little menu pops up. Step 3. Click Copy Image Address or Copy Image Link. Now the address is in your clipboard.
Step 4. Go back to CodePen and paste it between the quotation marks in your MG tag.
Your turn. I want you to add a picture of your favorite animal to your web page. Here is what your page should look like when you're done. Replace the words in capitals with your own content. Remember, the img tag has no closing tag, no /img. Haha, it is a photo frame, not a sandwich. Did you see your picture appear? That is your web page with a heading, paragraphs, and a picture.
Woohoo!
You are building a real website. Great job, web builder. Before we finish, let's remember the difference between our two types of tags now. Fill sits between our two types of tags now. Sandwich tags need a closing tag. The content goes in between the two tags. Photo frame tags use one tag only, no closing tag needed. The information goes inside the tag. Sandwich tags have content in between. Photo frame tags carry their information inside, using something called attributes, like src. Look at that town wall. It has a picture now. I'm so proud. Friends, you did that. The img tag puts pictures on a web page. img stands for image. The img tag is self-closing. Like a photo frame, it is complete by itself. No closing tag. src tells the browser the address of the picture, like writing an address on an envelope. The address is called a URL, a web link that leads straight to the picture. Next time, BuilderBot wants to make a list of everything the town needs. We'll learn 2 brand new tags. See you then, friends!